When news of the Stamp Act arrived in Boston, a group of dockhands, sailors, and workers who called themselves the Sons of Liberty took to the streets, warning colonists that their rights as Englishmen were under attack. Lawyer John Adams recognized that the Sons of Liberty were changing the political equation. He wrote, "They tinge the minds of the people. They impregnate them with the sentiments of liberty. They render the people fond of their leaders in the cause and averse and bitter against all opposers." The Sons of Liberty began writing letters to like-minded friends across the colonies, informing them about local events. As similar organizations sprang up across the colonies, people were spurred to action. By 1766, the Stamp Act was costing more to enforce than it was producing in revenue, and Parliament agreed to end it. But it explicitly claimed full power and authority to make laws and statutes to bind the colonies in all cases whatsoever. News of new taxes reached Boston in late 1767. The Massachusetts legislature promptly circulated a letter to the other colonies opposing taxation without representation and standing firm on the colonists' right to equality in the British Empire. The Sons of Liberty called for boycotts on taxed goods and broke into the warehouses to enforce the boycotts, while women demonstrated their support by weaving their own cloth and abandoning tea for coffee.